Why is everyone going crazy about Kling 3.0, and is it even usable for beginner AI creators? That is what we are going to test on today's video. But first, look at this.
Take me downtown. I thought you would never ask.
That clip was generated using an unoptimized prompt on Kling 3.0. Kling 3.0 is an AI video creation tool that generates videos using either text or images, just like other AI models that you know, like Grok, Sora 2, and VO. And today I'm going to be testing it not just with random prompts, but I'm going to be testing it based on 3 important criteria. The first one is going to be character consistency, motion prompt adherence, and the third one is going to be cinematic sync. Hi guys, and welcome back to Everyday AI with Jane. So let's start with the first test case, which is consistent characters. Consistent characters means the same face in multiple scenes. You can access Kling 3.0 on a variety of AI platforms, but for today, I'm going to be accessing it using the Video AI platform, and I'm going to link it in the description box. You can go over there and click the link, and I think for new subscribers, they give them some free credits to try out the platform, okay? So once you open the Video platform, it looks like this. We are going to go over here and select AI video. Once you select AI video, I use it a lot, so I have other projects here. We're going to come over down here, select this point, and click Kling 3.0. Now, Kling 3.0 can generate videos either from text or from images. So for this use case, we are going to be using text to video, okay? So I just wrote a very random script on what happened to me, and this is it here. I'm just going to copy it. I was in a green dress, and I went to the market, and this happened. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to paste that prompt, okay? This prompt, I just wrote it, nothing fantastic, and then we're going to hit generate button. It's going to take some time to do its thing, and once it's ready, it looks like this. So this is the preview. Let's play it and see.
How much is this apple?
It's 10 naira, ma.
Can't you sell it for 200?
No, just take for free. Because I stole it, right?
Like, this is what happened to me in the market. Exactly. If you can see, when we move from one character to the next, you can see that the images, their faces remain consistent. You can see how the AI tool even knows how to move from one person to the other, as if you are recording on a normal mobile phone. Okay, but there are some errors that I am seeing here, notwithstanding, because I wrote the script and he was supposed to say that the apple was 100 naira. The AI tool did not mention 100 naira. It mentioned him saying 30 naira. Okay, so that is just some of the things. But I think that can be corrected if you run the prompt again. And I think that for character consistency, using a text model, it did very well. Okay, so that being said, if you want to download it, you just click the button over here and then you download the video. So now let's go to the second use case that we're going to try out, and that is going to be motion commands. Motion commands all about the physics. You realize that sometimes when you generate AI videos, things just look wonky. The way the doors are opening are just wrong because AI does not understand the physics, okay? One thing you need to know about Kling 3.0 is that it's more like an AI director. So your prompting is so important. So for this particular use case, I'm going to show you 2 different generations using the same Kling. I'm going to show you when you use an optimized prompt, and I'm going to show you when you use an unoptimized prompt, okay? So let's start off first with the unoptimized prompt. So I'm going to go over here and copy it, go back to the Video platform, and I'm going to paste the prompt as always, and I'm going to click generate. If after showing you this generation, I'm going to come back and tell you how you can optimize your prompt to get a better result, okay? And I'm going to show you the better result of this motion command, okay? So watch this one.
If the wok is not hot, the vegetables will not get that distinct flavor you seek.
Now, if you look through this clip, you can see that the physics is off, okay? You can see that he's cutting bell peppers, but onions is flying out, right? And as they put it into the wok, it does look very real at this point, okay? But when he comes up to talk back to us, his mouth is not following what he is saying. And this is a problem that results from unoptimized prompting. Now, if you want to create a prompt for Kling 3.0, this is what you are going to do. Make sure that you have your subject action, environment, context, and camera movement. Those are the 4 things that you need. You can add lightning also, but it's not so important, okay? So you have to tell Kling, this is the subject, this is what the subject is wearing, this is where the subject is, and these are the motions that the subjects are doing, and most importantly, the camera angles prompting. Now I'm going to tell you the easier way to optimize your prompts. All you just do is you go to that your unoptimized prompt that just has the general idea of what you want to do. You create a new tab and then you use Gemini or you use ChatGPT. Okay. Once it's open like this, you just tell it. Rewrite this prompt below for a 15-second generation on Kling 3.0, and then you add your prompt and then you just press the send button. It's going to rewrite your prompt for you in a way that is optimized for Kling 3.0 to effectively generate the video that you want to see. So this is my updated prompt. So I'm going to copy this updated prompt that's given me. If you look at the prompt, it hits those 4 points I talked about. So I'm going to go back to video, clear out whatever we have here and then paste it and click the generate button. Okay.
If the wok is not hot, the vegetables will not get that distinct flavor you seek.
Can you see that this is much better, right? You can see him carrying the reason and the onions. It looks so realistic into the wok. See the wok movements, right? And then you come up to him, his mouth is moving exactly with what he is saying. So guys, now we're going to go into the final test case, which is going to be the cinematic scene. So for this cinematic scene, I still wanted to use the Joker when I want to tell a different kind of story. This time, I want the Joker to be the villain that is going to be terrorizing the guy, all right? So this prompt I'm using right here now is an optimized prompt for the cinematic scene. We're going to click over here and we're going to select reference to video. Reference to video just means that one part of the video is going to be the reference image, okay? So we're going to come over here and we're going to upload that reference image, right? We've selected the Joker's image and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to paste my prompt. You can see in my prompt at some point I'm saying reference image 1, right? Click generate. And guys, the video is ready. This is our finished video.
Take me downtown. I thought you'd never ask.
That looks like it was really shot by a person. So I think that the Kling 3.0 will work very well for beginners. What do you think? I would like to know in the comments. And then again, there are some shortcomings of this Kling 3.0, especially in the video platform. I realized that text don't really show that well. Like now the text that's supposed to be on the taxi, see how wonky the text is, it does not look realistic. If you would like to get all the prompts I use to generate all the different scenes, you can ask me for it. I'm going to link it in the description box. So guys, that's today's video and I hope you learned something and you enjoyed it, and you should try Kling 3.0 and I'll always love to see your creations. I'll see you guys on the next video.